Think McDonald's fries are vegetarian? Not always. In the early 2000s, McDonald's faced backlash for using beef flavoring in their fries while marketing them as vegetarian. This misrepresentation led to lawsuits and protests, especially in India, where beef consumption is taboo for many. Activists vandalized outlets and the company had to pay $10 million in settlements. Since then, McDonald's has taken steps to respect cultural dietary restrictions, especially in countries like India. So next time you order fries, remember, always check the ingredients. One Bite Facts.